Now, to unlock real savings, you need to tell Hypervolt what your electricity bill actually costs. Now, if you go to the settings section, then go to charger settings and look for energy tariff. Tap add tariff and you'll see a list of UK energy suppliers: Octopus Energy, EDF, British Gas, OVO, they're all there. Select your supplier and enter your account details. The connection is secure and the app pulls in your live tariff rates. Here's what changes. If you're on basic economy 7, Hypervolt sees your cheap hours, say 11 PM to 7 AM, at 15p per kilowatt hour. But if you're on something like Octopus Intelligent Go, and honestly, if you've got an EV, this tariff is an absolute game changer. You're getting insanely cheap windows, sometimes 5 pence per kilowatt hour. We're talking less than a coffee to charge your car. When you connect your tariff, Hypervolt sees those rates in real time and schedules your charging for exactly those windows. The new bit, EDF mode, is coming. EDF are building a partnership with Hypervolt for their smart charging EV tariff. When it launches, your Hypervolt will integrate natively with EDF's tariffs. Another option to squeeze every pound of value out of your home's energy. When you schedule a charge, the app calculates the exact cost based on your tariff. It shows you pounds and pence. And here's the thing, with schedule mode, Hypervolt intelligently times your charges to hit the cheapest windows automatically. You don't even have to think about it. The app does all of the maths, so you don't have to. You can also set a price cap. Say you've had a rough week and you want to guarantee a charge, but you don't want to pay more than 20p per kilowatt hour, set a limit. Rates go above 20p, the app won't charge. Rates drop below, charging status starts automatically. You get savings, but you maintain the control. That's what I call balance.